Hi friends, today we're going to look at our graphing and writing slope quiz. It says find the slope and the y-intercept of each linear equation and then graph the linear equation. So looking at number 1, I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to write out my slope in the form of rise over run since we're going to be graphing. My slope here is x, but it's just 1x, and that's the same as saying 1 over 1 for a slope. And then my y-intercept, or my b, is 3. So if I look at my graph, I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to start at positive 3 on my graph, and then I'm going to go up 1 and to the right 1. And up 1 and to the right 1. We can also do the opposite. I can go down 1 and to the left 1, down 1 and to the left 1. And then I can draw my line through those points. There we go. Okay, looking at number 2, my slope, again, I'm going to do rise over run. My rise is -1, my run is +2. I don't see a y-intercept here. I do have one, it's just going to be 0. So now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to start graphing at the origin, which is the middle of the graph at 0, 0. And I'm going to go down 1 and to the right 2, down 1 and to the right 2, down 1 and then to the right 2. I can reverse it. I can go up 1 and to the left 2, and I can go up 1 and to the left 2. And then I can draw my line through those given points. And there's my line. Moving down to number 3, it says each graph below represents a linear equation. Write an equation in slope-intercept form that represents the graphs. Okay, so I have a line here. My y-intercept in this graph is right in the middle at the origin, which is 0, 0. And so from that point, I'm going to go up 1, 2, 3. So up 1, 2, 3, and to the right 1. So I know my equation for number 3 is going to be y equals 3x. And since my y-intercept is 0, I'm just going to leave it at 3x. Looking at number 4, this time my y-intercept, or my b, starts at 1. And my slope, I'm going to go, let's see, I'm going to go up 1, 2, 3. And I'm going to go to the left 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So my m, or my slope, I could also go down 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, and to the right 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So my slope is -3 over 5. So when I rewrite my equation, that's going to be y equals -3/5 x plus 1. Our 2 spiral review questions have to do with rational and irrational numbers. It says, is -7 pi over 12 a rational or irrational number? And then explain your reasoning. Remember when we talked about this, any number that has pi in it is irrational. So this number is going to be irrational. And it's irrational because pi is irrational. And then for number 6, it says, is 0.51 repeating a rational or irrational number? Explain your reasoning. 0.51 is going to be rational, and as you might recall, a rational number is a number that terminates, which means it ends, or it repeats. So this number is rational because it is a repeating decimal. Good job, friends.